Right guys, this is today's job. We've got to give this block paving here a nice clean and a rinse. As you can see, it hasn't been cleaned in some time. We've got a little bit of algae buildup in certain spots like this one, but when we finished it'll look nice and clean, nice and fresh. So let's get started. Right guys, another job well done. As you can see, it looks much better. Totally transformed it, almost as good as new. All the algae is now gone. The bricks look nice and clean, nice and fresh. We give the wall a little blast, the garage door a little blast, and as you can see from the before and after, they look really good.